So the first thing you should do is to have Xcode installed on your Macintosh. So you can go to the App Store and search for Xcode. So you can install. I already have Xcode installed, so I'm not going to do that, but you can do that just clicking on the download button. Then the second thing you should have is to go to the web and search for cmake.org. Then go to download. Then you have down here the latest release, and you can download the version for macOS. So the next thing you should do is to go to OpenCV, OpenCV.org, and go to releases, and then download the sources. So let's do that. Should take a while depending on your network connection. Okay, so now that it has downloaded, we can unzip it. Okay, so now let's go to Finder, and in our root folder, we have users. Here's my name. Let's create here a folder called OpenCV, and let's put everything inside this folder into the other one. Here we go. Can delete this. And now we are going to this folder here and create another folder called build. Okay, that's it. Now let's head to CMake. And we have to specify the path over here. Where is the source code? Now let's browse the source code. So this should be inside your user. And here it is. So just that, open. And then let's specify the folder that we made before. That should be built. Here it is. So now the only thing that we should do is to click configure. Leave it as it is, so Unix makefiles and use default native compilers. Done. This should take a while. Configuring is done. Let's head to the OpenCV folder once again, and inside build, let's create another folder and call it install. Okay, and right here inside CMake, let's search for build OpenCV world. So if you do this, when you are specifying the lib files, you don't have to specify every one of them, like high GUI and everything like that. You should only need OpenCV underscore world. So the other thing that you should do is right here in CMake underscore install prefix, let's point it to our folder that we created before. So this should be once again inside users, OpenCV, build and install. Just specify that. And then click once again in configure. Okay, everything is configured. And now let's just click generate. This should be fast enough, and you can check that everything is okay right here, generating done. Okay, so we can close CMake now. Now let's go to terminal. Let's change directory to the build folder inside OpenCV. So we can just do this. Okay, and then let's just write make. This should take a while. Okay, so as I said, this takes a while. but everything is ready now. So we just have to type make install, and this time is faster. And it's done. Okay, so now we can open Qt, and we are going to do a new project. We can choose Qt console application. Then let's give it a name. So anything. Okay, so we choose QMake. This, you can leave it as it is. You can choose the kit, and done. Let's go to this .pro file, and at the end of the file I will include the include path and the libs path. So we can check what this is. We have to go to our root folder and OpenCV, build, install, include OpenCV4, and it's this folder over here, the OpenCV4 that we can open, and then we have everything else here. The lib files is also here. It's this one, and then you have OpenCV __ world. Okay, so as soon as you have these paths included, we have to go here, right mouse click, and then run QMake. Okay, so now that everything is done, let's head to main.cpp, and we can now include OpenCV2, which is that folder, cv.hpp. Let's also say that we are using namespace cv. Okay, now let's go here and say that mat image is equal to emRead. Now the path for one image that I have over here. And emRead _ color, so that we can read the image in color, of course. Now that, let's show to the user. Sorry. First we have to specify the title of the image, so let's call it rabbit. Oops. And image. And also we have to put weight key 0. No, not like that. Like that. In order for us to see the picture. So if everything is okay, we should do Command R. And here we go. Everything is correctly installed, and you are now ready to do your code in Qt using OpenCV in macOS.